is my morning routine skincare that I do on my day-to-day basis, especially when I'm in a rush or even when I'm taking my little boy to playgroup. So I tend to be really busy in the morning, but when I do have time, I really take care of my skin. So I've literally just got out the shower. My hair's damp at the moment. I've already cleansed my face, and the cleanser that I use is the CeraVe hydration cream. Don't know if you can see it yet. So my skin tends to dry, but this usually helps. So yeah, I really like this one. And so what I go in with is I go in with my serum. So the serum I've been using is the Botox Stock Solution Anti-Serum. So I've just literally got this from Amazon. I just wanted to try it out. I usually tend to have the ordinary one, hyaluronic acid, but I am going to try this one today just to share with you guys. So this is what it looks like in the box. So let me see and give this a go. And I do go in with my jade massage because I like to blend it all into my skin and let it penetrate into my skin. So I'm gonna try this out. So I just use a few on my hand. So it's not too thick, but it's a little bit thick, but not too thick. So I just put a little bit on and I just kind of dab it on. Just like that. Not too much. Onto my nose, and especially the neck area. Cannot forget your neck, guys. We do need to age gracefully. So, and then I go in with my massage and just kind of lift my face up like that. I'm kind of looking at the mirror just behind the camera, guys. So yeah, that's what I kind of do. I go in for my eye cream. So it's the same brand. And then just put a little bit on my index finger. And then just kind of dab it along under my eye area gently. Just tend to go around under my upper eyebrow. And then I go in with my eye roller. Just kind of give it that nice massage, and it feels really nice and cold. I tend to put this in the fridge and it's so relaxing, guys. So yeah, so that's what I do. Kind of go in with the eye roller, and then after that, literally, this is what I do when I'm very busy, guys, and I like to kind of do it really quick but make sure I do it properly. And then I go in with my moisturising cream. So yeah, this is the moisturising cream. So I really like this one. I've really been using that for some time now. So this really helps with my skin. So yeah, this is literally how much I've used, guys. So just take a little bit and put a little bit, and then rub it into my skin. Oh no, I've got it on my hair now. I knew I should have put my band over my head, but oh well. You can just feel it nice and moisturised. So yeah, guys, so that's literally what it looks like. After that, I go in with my sun cream. So the CeraVe sun cream, hydrating mineral sun cream, which is the SPF 30. So this is really, I think I've used this. I think I've only got a little bit onto this, guys. So yeah, this is what I use, and it really gives a nice sheer tint to this one. So I only put just a little bit on, because if I want to wear my makeup on, it'll actually just blend in it, and it's got just like that, not too much. And then, as you can see, just gives it a really nice glow. I like to put a little bit more, and usually I start off with just a small amount and just work my way up. So see, as you can see, it definitely goes well with a nice skin tone. Kind of put it in my forehead here. And it really blends really well, and it moisturizes really well too. So as you can see, let me blend it in. Gives it that nice glowy look. So yeah, I really like this brand, and I want to make sure it's like fully covered. So yeah, so that is my morning routine skincare. So I do a very quick skincare routine, especially when I'm rushing and running around. So yeah guys, that is my morning routine. Time to do the hair. received a parcel from Temu because I have ordered some new phone cases. So yes, let's see what we have. So let's have a look. We have, okay, so this is the phone case. So I've got that one, and this is my favourite, guys. This just looks amazing. So yeah, I wanted something that really gives a nice elegant look. So this is more like a bit of a fox suede. So yeah, I've got two phone cases and this cute bag to put your phone in, because usually when I go out I like to take my phone or my purse. trying to do it with one hand there, so bear with me. Ooh. And there we have it. How amazing is this? Perfect for going out, and what I love about it is that you can put your phone through here. So yeah, it is waterproof, and you can actually like kind of type on here. So instead of you don't want to take your phone out, you just want to leave it in, but you still want to be able to text or do all those type of things. You can just put it through here. How easy is that? So yes, I got one that says Forever Young. And got these cute little pockets and some 2 zips, and it does come with a strap too. Okay, so that's how much room I have, and then the strap is in here, so you can put your cards in there. So yeah, I think it's really nice. So I'm spoiled for choice of what to wear, but for my phone case I'm going to try this and check it out. So yeah, this phone case is actually nice. I really like this one. It's a really nice texture to this, so I really like that one, and you can put your hands through here. But yeah guys, I'm really loving it, so I'm definitely going to be using this one, but I might try the beige one, but this one I'm going to use. So another thing that I have is a new diary. I should have got this in January, so I'm a bit late. So, but anyway, better late than never. So as you know, it comes with cute stickers, and let's see. So this material is fox leather. So I really wanted something that's like fox leather. So I really like to keep everything organized and all planned out. So this is super perfect, but I love how nice and suede it is and the texture. So yeah guys, I really love this. So yeah, comes out with a nice little clip, and it says remember, so it definitely is a must. And then it comes with a nice pen. So how nice is this guys? So yeah, as you can see, it's got everything in here that I need to fill all my planning. So yeah guys, that's literally what I've got. So I'm super happy to be filling everything in here. So yeah guys, it's really cute. So this diary is from Amazon, so yeah, I really love it. But anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.